Okay, guys, I said that I was going to do an overview of our agenda and an overview of Schoology. So looking at the agenda, this should be the first thing you're looking at every single week because it lists exactly what we're going to do. Next, after this, okay, we're doing a Kahoot. It's listed right here. Then you have lesson video to watch, okay? And especially for people who have been absent or people who are currently absent, I added a Kahoot link for practice, something we've been practicing in class a lot, but anybody who's been absent hasn't had the same opportunity. So I added a link. And the link is just for a couple days, but it gives them a little bit of time and practice. And as we go through the week, you can see it's really normal. Lesson, watch video, okay, all the normal things. You have Khan Academy due tomorrow. Percents, exactly what we just worked on. Then you have a benchmark part 1. That's your next weekly review. It's actually a 2-week weekly review. Okay, it's not just 10 problems, so I made it longer. I gave you a longer time period to do it. Okay, keep going down. You guys are very capable of reading this. Notice we have an essential skills quiz on Friday. That comes to the question that I've gotten the most emails about lately. What happened to my grade? Okay, last Friday we had an essential skills quiz. Some people's grades changed, some people's didn't. So I want to look at our grades, not like your specific grades. We have 3 categories basically in our grade book. Formative and practice. Does anybody remember how much of that is your grade? How much of your overall grade is based on formative, practice?
30%.
30%. Okay. So if you are one of those hardworking people who gets all their stuff done, that's 30% of your grade, pushing it upward. Also doing the practice gives you practice for the assessments, right? Now, what about tests and quizzes? A unit test, a topic test, those kinds of tests and quizzes. What would that category be?
70%.
I'm going to put 70% over here because it's important. Our regular old topic tests, quizzes, we do a practice one, we do review, then we do the real test, we do corrections. What percentage is that? Okay, good. 35%. Which means what percentage is essential skills? Yeah. 35. Today, January 18th, we do not have anything in this category. We will at the end of the month. We don't yet. We have lots in the formative category. And on Friday, we put some stuff in the essential skills category, which means right now it's half your grade is essential skills. But I didn't do good on Friday. Well, let's look at what you can do. Okay, together, all of the summative, you were right, is 70%, all the summative together. Okay. So let's look at Schoology. Let's go to our class. Okay, here's Schoology. You have access to it all the time. Okay. Links to different assignments, information. Everything related to essential skills is in forms and reference items. Everything. So if I click on here, oh, look at all this stuff. Helpful math videos, syllabus, all this stuff is in here, including what are our essential skills. Click on it. They're all right there. Tells you exactly what they are. But I didn't do good. Now what do I do? Well, this weekend, this long weekend that we have, I started a help for you on Schoology, help for essential skills. Click on that, and there are all kinds of links, and I will keep adding to it, of how to do some of our essential skills or where to find that information. The other big tool that you have, open up Khan Academy and type in solving equations. Type in, like, I can figure out how to do almost anything on Khan Academy. It's a little crazy. Okay. And I will continue to add to this help. But I didn't know what was going to be on the essential skills. Okay, right here it says Math 8 Essential Skills Quiz. I click on it. It says exactly which essential skills we're doing. I never hide it from you. It's not meant to be a gotcha. Okay. So, tour of our Schoology page, tour of our agenda. Do you guys understand what to do and where to find the information? You just have to do it? Okay. Okay, so now I want you guys to open up your Chromebooks. In class, we're going to do a Kahoot.